Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. I'm currently working on a platformer game and I'm sharing the news on this channel. So I decided to make some tutorials. Okay, so in this video we are gonna make a speed boost. It's generic, in platformer games. We are gonna make a speed boost in version 5.5 that I'm using. I just create a default third person map. So what we want to do, we want to create an actor and interact with it and change our player's movement. Okay, so let's open our blueprints. I'm gonna create a new folder and call it again blueprints or level objects maybe. And let's create a blueprint class. It's an actor. I'm gonna call it BP speed boost. Let's open it and add a static mesh to see it. I always use cons. I don't know why, but I'm always set default to con. Okay. And for interacts, we need a collision. And for that, I'm gonna use box collision. That's enough for this blueprint right now. Let's first create our communication way. So there is there is a couple ways to communicate blueprints in Unreal Engine. Okay, you can use cast, event dispatchers, references, whatever, but I'm gonna use interfaces. Let's call it I interact and let's open it. Call it, the name again, speed boost, the function. Okay, that makes sense. Let's open our character blueprint. In class settings, let's add our I interact interface. So you can see it's there. I'm gonna show two ways that we can use. First one is let's grab our character movement that our walk speed is stored here. Okay, you can see. And set it whatever you want. I'm gonna use 1500 so we can see easily, and add a delay like 5 seconds, and again set max walk speed and set it to default, that 600. This one is the easiest way, I think. Okay, so let's open our speed boost blueprint again. On box collision, add events, add on component, begin overlap. First, let's check our other actor is our player character. if branch true, let's call our interface function, that's speed boost. On other actor, just type speed boost. Okay, you can see a little message icon. Okay, target is I interact, and let's test it. So you can see the second method in this video is we are gonna use timelines. Add timeline, let's rename it speed boost timeline. Okay, but we don't use the play, we use play from start. Other way, we can just use for once. Okay, so let's set to length to 6 seconds, add a float track, and add 3 keys. The first one is time 0, value is 1500. The second one is time 5, value is again 1500. The third one is time 6 and value is our default, it means 600. So let's copy our character movement again and set max walk speed to our track. Okay, and the last thing is let's delay like 0.1 seconds and destroy. So it's turning normal. And let's oh, it seems fine, right? I think it's enough for this video. I hope it helped. You can check my links in the description and you can subscribe. Thanks and bye.